Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, these levels pertain, they're just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. So first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the newest areas of support, or excuse me, resistance going forward is I'm going to call right there, right around $4.25. And you can see that after the nasty opening part of the day where the price flushed downwards, the price did bounce, but on that bounce, like I said, right up around $4.25, give or take a nickel or so. That's right where the price really struggled. So in my mind, that's going to definitely be public enemy number one, going into Friday and then next week. What about some of the levels of support now? Well, again, after we got our data from today, and you can see that the price ultimately did finally stop going down at 375. At that low right there. So 375 going to be that near-term level of support. And then from more of the overarching standpoint, as I've talked about in past videos, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Right now, that is valued at $3.65. But remember, keyword being moving. So as Friday and the next week play out, that line will keep on moving itself higher and higher, and therefore that value is going to increase in value. So keep that in mind. So all in all, yeah, today, not the greatest day at all, but also keep in mind that word today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, the price is still in the overall uptrend, so we'll see if the price can try to continue on with the uptrend or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.